How to use a warmed heat mask. This treatment is intended to help melt the stoppage or blockage in the meibomian gland so we can release our lipid from the glands to the tear film. This treatment can be made in several ways. One way to do it is with a regular heat mask that you put in a microwave and heat it up. Another way is to use a hot towel that you drench in hot water, then rinse it out. But be aware that the benefits with the hot towels is not as good as with the warm heat mask. You can also use an electric heat mask. But in this video, I'm going to go through how to use this warmed heat mask. So first of all, you put it in the microwave for around 20 seconds to heat it up to around 43 degrees Celsius. It should not be uncomfortable when you put it on your eyes. It should not be too hot, but it should be hot. And after you warmed it up, you put it on your eyelids and you close your eyes and you have it on for around 10 minutes. It should not be put on too tightly. It should be enjoyable. After 10 minutes, you remove the eye mask and then it's time to massage. So you massage your eyelids from the base of the eyelid towards the edge. So you massage it. This helps to further express the lipid from the glands and help to release the stoppage. And you do it both on the upper and lower eyelid from the base towards the edge. And you do it on both eyes. After that, you blink slowly 10 times. And this is to further help to express the lipid from the glands and also to evenly distribute the lipid on the ocular surface. And when that is done, it's recommended, if you've never done it before, you can do it like 2 times a day for 4 weeks, and then you can do it 2 times a week. In a study published by Wang in 2024, it showed that if you do this daily for 4 weeks, you have a decrease in your symptoms for dry eyes by 50%. And if you do it daily for 12 weeks, in this study it showed a decrease in the dry eye symptoms by 77%. And of course, this is for the dry eye patients that suffer from MGD, so they have dry eyes due to MGD, dysfunction in the meibomian gland. And it can also be helpful if you have blepharitis.